This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update for December 28th. Well, corn had a great day yesterday as it benefited from speculative buyers who seem to be front-running the index fund roll and asset reallocation push that's going to happen next week. It wasn't all good news as the weekly export inspections came in below the low end of trade expectations at 28.3 million bushels. Weather continues to play a role in this market as well, with traders keeping a close eye on South America, where Argentina's 10-day forecast is showing only modest chances of rainfall in less than half of the corn and soybean belts. At the close, March futures were 9 cents higher as they settled at $6.14 per bushel. Soybeans were up over 30 cents as we saw good fund buying as well as buying activity driven by concerns over that dryness in South America. Weekly export inspections also were helpful as they came in at the top end of trade expectations at 58 million bushels. At the close, March soybean futures were 30 3/4 cents higher as they closed at $13.71 per bushel. Wheat fell victim to lackluster export inspections and no follow-through on the rumor that Iraq was going to buy wheat. In the world of wheat exports, the U.S. remains uncompetitive versus Russia, and uncompetitive by a fairly large margin. That was reflected in the weekly export inspections number that came in at a mere 10 million bushels. At the close, Minneapolis March futures were 8 cents lower at 10.24.5. Kansas City was down 14.5 cents, closing at 8.47, and Chicago was 10 3/4 cents lower as they finished the session at $8.04 per bushel. Cotton futures gave us their best impression of a 4th of July fireworks. At the close, the March futures were 316 points higher, settling at 112.28. Livestock futures were mixed. At the close, we had February live cattle 35 cents lower at $139.27 per hundredweight. March feeder cattle dropped by 47.5 cents to close at $163.27 per hundred. And lean hogs February futures were 42.5 cents higher, ending the day at $83.65 per hundred. Class 3 milk futures had a great day as they put in an outside day higher on the bar chart and continued to move back toward that life of contract high. At the close, January futures were 40 points higher, settling at $19.89. Meat cutout values were mixed. Choice box beef was $1.65 higher, closing at $264.59. Select boxes were $2.23 better as they settled at $255.18. Pork carcass cutout values had a sharply lower day. They were down $5.14, settling at $86.33 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.